Hello everyone, today we want to tell you guys about our results augmented intelligent high-stack for long retrieval context in large language models. So, like we all know, modern LLMs claims that they can read over a million of tokens input. But just because they can read it, it doesn't mean they can understand it perfectly. In this study, we want to measure this problem using 244 key of context tokens. We didn't just put information in the high-stack, but we want to know how and why the models fail to find it. The methodology that we use is pretty straightforward. So we use Wikipedia articles as a haystack and we put information on needle in various positions. And we test it using various models from the closed one like Gemini and the other open models. And we measure it by manipulating 4 key variables like needle position, needle haystack and question similarity, frequency, and distractor. And all the test case in this result is automated to ensure the valid data.
For the results, firstly, needle position. We find that even front-end models still show the lost in the middle effect, where accuracy is highest in the beginning and end of context. However, when needle is in the middle, accuracy fluctuates with unclear pattern. Second, lexical dependency. We find that models still heavily rely on lexical matches, where questions that are more lexically similar to needles have higher retrieval accuracy. However, when questions become metaphorical or abstract, retrieval accuracy decreases. Thirdly, repetition. We find that repeating needles does increase the retrieval performance of models. However, repeating the distractor doesn't have a linear effect on model performance.
Now we find that long context retrieval is driven by semantic reasoning, lexical cues, and training biases rather than memory alone. Models favor lexical shortcuts, prioritize early context, and fail mainly due to semantic conflicts instead of distractor volume.